To start with, Finland is a democratic country. You understand that? Finland is a country under democracy that is being governed by an elected president. Their president was elected under the laws of Finland. He did not jump in. He did not carry ballot box or key. So Finland is a law-abiding country. So if Finland is coming today to make statement that someone will be released anywhere from land, they are correct. Do you know why? Because as a democratic nation, there was a complaint, and they acted with accordance with what they have on their table, and they investigated it, and they found the young man nothing. So at this juncture, the list of Samanaba is sure.
Based on the evidence that was presented at Finland, the ICC has initiated, a warrant of possible allegedly arrest of the Nigerian army over impunity in Igbo land. How would you react to that?
Okay, if you go into record of what is happening in Biafran land for decades, ICC cannot deny that they don't have the record in their office. All the petition is there, and we have the copies. We have the copies of all the atrocities that the Nigerian government have been perpetrated in Biafra land. Why start mentioning them? Starting from the days of from Obasanjo deployed a jet fighter on the air. A community called Odi was leveled, and over 5 million people were killed, murdered, and they swept it under the carpet. Till today, nobody talks about it.
And that is a Biafran land.
That is Biafran land. That one goes away. Governor Ransom Wike did it. In Obibo. Till today, nobody asked him. Over 3 million Biafrans were killed, were murdered. So, like that, all over Biafran land. I'm not even talking about the one that the so-called Nigerian army supervised. Do you understand that? I'm not even talking about the most of the killing that the Nigerian army supervised in Biafran land. Nobody talk about it. No governor, no senator. And in fact, I so much thank God for our people. So when they do it, they thought it has ended. That is why I said that if you go to ICC, you will see a lot of petition against Nigerian state. Whether they collect money or not, we don't know. Because they said in my own edition, they said the court is the only last hope for the common man. So at this point, when Nigeria, almighty Nigeria, have been touring all the Biafran state, killing, massacre, sacking villages with their armies and their terrorists. The ICC has not one day come up, said, Nigeria, this is what we hate. Is it true?
Yeah, continue.
So do you understand that? So today now, if the Finland inviting someone Ekpa for questioning, could attract sympathy. Then today now, ICC want to do the needful. It is welcome.
Because there was an evidence that was presented to the Finnish government over the impunity of Nigerian government against the Biafra. Maybe based on that, it has alerted got the interest of the International Criminal Court, ICC, that resulted to that. At this point in time now, we are seeing Biafran flags all over the eastern part of the country. What does that mean? With Southeast governors confused.
What did you expect? For God's sake, without being told, Biafran were declared some days ago. We are not longer in Nigeria. Biafran has automatically become a nation, and that is why you are seeing Biafran flag all over the Biafran territory. At this point, I was expecting that Nigerian government will come out to issue statement by calling on their army to vacate from the land. But since maybe probably they are still waiting, I don't know what they are waiting for. But then I would have advised them in case they forget. In case they forget, they should. I should use this medium to remind them that the Biafran Prime Minister is a very peaceful fellow, and perhaps he's a good guy. So the Prime Minister have earlier directed Nigeria, go into this land, evacuate all your security forces, recognize this 40 state of Biafra, release the supreme leader in person of Masin Namdekali for peace to return. Then we can as well remain as good neighbors, Nigerian and Biafra.
Okay, why is it that we are hearing some people from Ijo saying they are Niger Delta, and people are asking, when the time comes, we don't need to ask you whether you are Niger Delta or not. What is their reaction to that?
These are Fulani paid agents. They collected money from Nigeria. So, would they not do their work? And of course, they are doing their work because they have collected money. Of course, I don't blame them. Because since they have decided maybe to collect money, and if that money will finish, and the Biafra will come, whether they like it or not, it's unstoppable at this point that we are. It's unstoppable.
They learned that from a secret memo release that any moment from now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be released. What's their take on that?
They don't have choice. They don't have choice.
Is it because of what happened in Finland?
They don't have choice. They know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu does not come from Nigeria. So at this juncture, you can see that it is ridiculous for them to hail another national and cage him in your custody without any offense. So what would they? How would they explain to Biafran authority?
Are you surprised with the American support the Biafrans are getting from United States of America? Are you surprised?
Okay, American is a civilized society, so they know good things. So for America to sit down and watch the Calebrates of men, educated men, what to do, making speeches in Finland, then that call for a surprise, because the war never believe that Nigerian has this kind of a vibrant man. Yes, because the issue here in Nigeria is this: why they are having this problem? The way they structure their system. The person that is qualified, that position will not be given to the person. Their position only given to criminals and illiterate. So that is why you see Nigeria cannot move forward, cannot grow more than this.
Yes, the man that spoke from U.S. Congress at Finland was saying that there are countries who are already lining up to issue a recognition statement of Biafra. Is it something you want to celebrate, or how do you look at it?
As it stands today, over 90-something country has already recognized Biafran state. With their statement, document. So, what are you talking? So, American recognizing Biafra is going to be plus, and it's going to give us big wing to fly.
Why is it that Gowon has kept quiet all this while?
It's a shame of himself. It's a shame of himself. Himself as he is a big fool, very big fool. That is why God kept him. That is why God kept him.
You were able to see.
That is why God kept him. Keep Obasanjo, keep Babangida, so that they will use their two naked eye to see Biafran state functioning.
So, what's your message to the Biafrans who are already in a festive mood for now, especially people from your own region or state or Biafra? What do you want to tell them?
My advice to all Biafran at this juncture is for all Biafran to remain resolute in all their doing. That this fight that you are seeing, there's no retreat, no surrender until we finally cross the Red Sea.
Okay, finally, people are saying Biafra is the newest nation, the world has finally embraced, physically, embraced. What is it? Why did they say we have United States of America, we have United States of Biafra? One is A, Biafra. B is Biafra. They say America represents the Western world, Biafra represents Africa. How is it? Is it miraculous?
What do I just say? I said America is a civilized country, so they know good thing. They know good thing. You have been told. So what you are seeing here, under Biden, he may not do anything. Why? Because the criminal in Nasarok sponsored his election, Biden election, and he's part and parcel of the sharing of Ghana must go in Nasarok. So he's not going to say anything. But then I'm giving you from now less than 3 or 4 months. Then you see American support is going to be huge. Yes.
Okay, thank you for coming. Just say 1 or 2 words to Biafrans all over the world.
Hi, Biafrans. My name is Danodo, your fellow Biafran from the United States, under Biafran government. I would have loved to use this medium to advise Biafran all over the world. That anywhere you are, remain resolute. Don't allow anything to trouble you. We are going home, and everybody will be happy.
Thank you.
So remain